Hello, this is Hemant with PulseSecure Technical Marketing. In this short video, let's look into how PulseSecure's remote access gateway, Pulse Connect Secure, supports multi-factor authentication via time-based one-time passwords. Pulse Connect Secure has native TOTP integration within the system that will provide an additional authentication factor at no additional cost. We'll first look at the configurations and then at the end user experience. For configurations, let's log into PCS admin console, and this is the PCS admin console. Navigate to authentication auth servers. Select server type dropdown. Select TOTP time-based one-time password server. Click new server. Give it a name and click save changes. There are some additional options like allowing registration via external port, displaying QR code, auto unlock, etc., which you can select based on your requirement. If you have multiple sites that are being protected by multiple PCS gateways, then you can promote one gateway as TOTP server and the PCS gateways the token information from this gateway. Select remote if you are having such kind of deployment and provide the remote server details. This builds a centralized TOTP account database. For this demo, we are using local TOTP server. After this, navigate to users realms. Select the realm. This is where the authentication parameters are defined. I'm using AD as my primary authentication. Select enable additional authentication server and then select the authentication mechanism as TOTP and click save changes. This completes the configuration. After this, all you need to do is to download any TOTP app like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Duo Mobile, etc. from Play Store or App Store. So this is my iOS mobile. I have Google Authenticator app installed. So let me start the registration process. You can see that there are no accounts right now in this app. So let me log in into PCS and start the registration process. Providing my primary credentials. So you can see it is asking me to scan the barcode because this is the first time that user is logging into the system. So let me click on scan barcode. I'll scan the barcode. And an entry has been added in the Google Authenticator application. So you will have to enter the token code. Click sign in. You're able to log into the system. This registration process is only one time, and the next time the user logs in, he just has to enter the credentials. So it will be like this. So it will be just prompted for the authentication code and the user can log in. So this is a simple TOTP integration which provides multi-factor authentication when logging into PCS remote access gateway. The benefits of this system include it provides an additional factor of authentication at no additional cost. You don't really have to invest in any third-party implementations. It works with globally distributed deployments and it builds a centralized TOTP database. PCS also has integrations with many third-party mechanisms for providing multi-factor authentication like RSA Secure ID, SAML-based integrations with Azure AD, Ping Identity, etc., which we'll be covering in subsequent sessions. If you would like to know more, please visit our website at www.pulsesecure.net. Thank you.